In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to edit WhatsApp messages after you sent. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Have you ever sent a WhatsApp message and then immediately realized you made a mistake or wanted to add more context? With the message editing feature, you no longer have to worry about it. Whether it's correcting a grammatical error, clarifying a statement, or adding an important detail, the ability to edit sent messages provides a valuable layer of control over your WhatsApp communication. Remember that you can edit sent messages for up to 15 minutes after being sent. To edit WhatsApp messages after sending, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile. After that, navigate to the chat conversation that contains the message you want to edit. Now, long press on the specific message you want to edit. Then, a pop-up menu will appear at the top of the screen. From here, tap on Edit. If it is not visible, it is available under the three dots menu. Tap on it and again tap on Edit. Now, the message will become editable, allowing you to make changes. Once you've made the desired edits, tap the tick icon to save the changes. Remember, the edited message will be marked with an edited label to indicate that it has been modified. This label will be visible to both of you. This is exactly how you can edit and modify your sent chat message on WhatsApp. If you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial and tips videos like this.